Welcome. In this video, I'll show you a quick tutorial about how to cancel Fitbit Premium. Alright, first up, just go ahead and open up Fitbit and wait for it to load. Now, once done, go ahead and tap on your profile right here or your Google account at the top right. Tap on it. And in here, go ahead and go to Fitbit settings. Tap on it. Once done, go ahead and go to account settings. As you can see here, you'll be able to see manage subscriptions. Tap on it and you will be landed to the Google Play subscription area. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead and locate your active Fitbit subscription. Tap on it, hit on cancel subscription, follow the simple prompts, and after that, you're good to go. You can do it as well on myaccount.google.com. Just go ahead and open up your favorite browser and log in. Now, once you're in here, go to payments and subscriptions. And in here, just go ahead and scroll down until you find subscriptions. Just click on manage subscriptions and you'll be able to see your active subscriptions here as well. All right, that's basically how you cancel a Fitbit Premium. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.